What's going on, guys? It is your boy CryptoMykel here, coming today with a, FPGA Friday update and a continuation of Osprey week. So, what is going on, guys? Hope you're all doing well and fantastic wherever you guys are. Good morning, good evening, good night. What's up? So, today, guys, we are going to go over the upcoming sale that actually is about to be going on Osprey, as well as a new release of some, promo codes coming up here on the Easter holiday. If you do celebrate Easter here in America, happy Easter. But on that day, we will actually be able to, actually it's today actually, today you can actually start using these codes. So today you can use these codes and there will be a sale on their website. So if you would like an Osprey E300 device, you will be able to snag them for even cheaper. So, but first, let's talk about some news. So, as you may know, we did send off our BCU 1525, which is the VU9P chip, off to Osprey Electronics to actually get reballed into a E100 VU9P. So that is actually has been going on, and we got some information back from them that our chip did in fact pass the first round of testing, which I knew it would. The chip technically isn't the fault right now. It was the board that I was having issues with. So there is one more test that they got to run once it arrives at the deballing factory. So there has to go over. It's a possibility that there could be like some internal chip issues or pin disconnects, but I highly doubt that will happen, as the chip was good when I sent it to them. But nonetheless, it has passed, and we should hear something back in the next week or so upon that. And then all we have to do is wait for it to come back to us. So soon, hopefully soon, fingers crossed soon, we'll be having ourselves another Osprey E100 device. So pretty cool. I'm looking forward to that, and I really do miss my BCU, that is for sure. Today, of course, we are talking about their sale. So as of today, for you, you will actually be able to use these codes, as well as there will be a sale on their website. I don't know how much cheaper they'll be while they're this price. I don't know how much they'll be cheaper than this or how much cheaper, but you will be able to get up to $250 off the E300 VU35P, as well as $100 off the E100 VU35P, and a whopping $300 off the E300 VU33P. So that actually puts the 33P down into the $3,000 price range, which is pretty interesting. Now I don't know, of course, like what deals they will be having on this said event. So there could be a chance that there will be an even cheaper price point. So stay tuned for that, because that should be coming up here soon. And as well as stay tuned for some more content that we'll be having coming up soon on our next Osprey device, which will be the E100 VU9P. Now eventually, that one will forever live its life as a 9P, because it's very hard to acquire BCU 1525s anymore, at least ones that are in working order. So that one will be a little bit harder to refill out, but after I was going to start filling out the VU33P model with like another chip, but reballed the thing since they were ending reball support for the 9P, since they're having too many the failure rate to success rate is way too high, because, well, a lot of them were ran hard, put up wet, and just used and abused. So and they didn't have great power delivery, the BCU 1525s. That was actually their main fault, was power failures. So hopefully mine's okay. It should be okay, but we'll be getting ours back, and then after we have that, the next thing we will eventually work on is filling up the VU33P and getting that one up and running. Or maybe we'll get another E100 VU35P. Maybe we'll just get a bunch of E100s, maybe. Just maybe. Put your comments down below of what you think we should do, as well as while you're down there, don't forget to hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that bell notification so you know time that we go live here on the channel or post videos. We would greatly appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much for being patient with us while we get back into the swing of things, taking things day by day, and getting better myself. So be sure as well, if you're going to Mining Disrupt this year, say what's up to your boy and use the link down below to get yourself 20% off of your tickets before the prices increase. So catch you on the flip side. Much love. Peace out. Stay savage, guys.